Welcome, from me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, pull down the notification panel, extend it, and you should find the hotspot toggle somewhere in here, which for me is on the second page right over here. Once you find it, hold the toggle and this will take you almost to the settings. So you want to tap right here, set up portable hotspot, and from here you are in the settings. And by default, it looks like it automatically goes into the password section, so you can quickly change the password. As you can see, the one that is set by default is some kind of trash password, which I really wouldn't recommend you using. It's just not very convenient. So you can remove this one and then set your own. It does need to have 8 characters in length minimum. So let's make our password. There we go. And from here, once you have changed the password, all you also really need to do is just keep in mind the SSID, which is the name of the network. Now you can also change this if you want to, but personally I find it that the one that comes provided basically on every device is fairly easy to remember. It's always going to be the name of the device by default. So in this case, it is Redmi 9T. And that's about it from the settings, so make sure you just tap on the check mark right there to save it, and you can now enable the hotspot either from here by tapping on this toggle or by going to the notification panel and finding the little toggle right here and tapping on it. And there we go. As you can see, we have now enabled the hotspot. It gives us the message right here that it is enabled and also how many people are connected, which at this moment is no one. So that is how you would set it up. And once you're done with it, make sure you turn it off, otherwise it will be using a little bit more of your battery for no benefit, no reason. So you turn it off by simply tapping on it once more, and there we go, it's now turned off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.